can't count the times I call your name some broken night. Good God Almighty, I hope you find me praising your name no matter what comes. Hello, this is Lionel and welcome to Music for Soul. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to play Good God Almighty. This song is very nice song. It has a very catchy melody and it's so good to play and praise and worship in your church. So without further ado, let's go right straight into the tutorials using my guitar. So this song actually is not so hard to play. It is super easy, except that you need to know how to mute your guitar. Like, you hear that? This song basically has three chords that we are going to use. D, E minor 7, and G. Either you want to play G like this or like this, it's okay. For the verse, you're just going to use one chord and it is D. Just like this. I can't count the times I've called your name some broken night. You showed up and patched me up like you do every time. I get amnesia, I forget that you keep coming around. You ain't no way you'll ever let me down. Now let's go to the chorus, and there are only three chords for the chorus. It's D, E minor 7, and G. So let's go. Good God Almighty, I hope you find me praising your name no matter what comes. 'Cause I know where I'll be without your mercy. So I keep praising your name at the top of the lungs. And then the next for that is, tell me is he good? Tell me is he God? In this part, the song did not play any chord. But if you want to play chord, it's okay also. It's just like the same as the chord of the chorus. It would be D, E minor 7, and G. Tell me is he good? Tell me is he God? He is good God Almighty. Just like that. But if you are not going to play any chords during that time, you can just do this. Tell me is he good? Tell me is he God? Is he good God Almighty? Now here comes this part that says, praise you in the morning, praise you in the noontime, praise you when the sun goes down. In this part, they did not play any chords. But if you want to play chords, you can just stay on D. Praise you in the morning, praise you in the noontime, praise you when the sun goes down. Love you in the morning, love you in the noontime, love you when the sun goes down. Good God Almighty. Just like that, and you know how to do it. That's it. That's how you're going to play this song. And you can use it in your church for your praise and worship. And I bet it will be a very moving praise and worship experience. And so that's it. God bless you, everyone. I hope you'll be more fruitful in your ministry. And I hope this video could help you a lot. And if you want more content like this, I would love if you are going to subscribe into my channel and hit like and comment down below any suggestion that you want me to make and to teach you how to play in the guitar using guitar. God bless you. Bye bye.